to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first cleaning video in our new home. We just moved from Pennsylvania to North Carolina in this new house. I have a home tour up on my channel. I will have that linked. I just posted that and I show a tour of our entire house. But today we are going to be doing some extreme cleaning. We are going to be cleaning the kitchen, the dining room. We are doing some fridge organization and just cleaning up the main bottom floor of the house. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning motivation here on this channel, as well as home decor, lifestyle, and motherhood as well. So if you guys are new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys get tons of cleaning motivation from today's video.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights.
I'm going to start off in the kitchen by doing some dishes. I'm just going to load the dishwasher with a few of the dishes. I'm going to go ahead and clean out this jug of water. I made my daughter some orange water juice. She's obsessed with oranges and I was trying to get her to drink some more water. So it actually worked. I ended up refilling the jug. So that is a little hack if you guys have little ones and you want them to drink more water, just add some fruit to it and apparently they love it. So I'm going to go ahead, finish loading up the dishwasher and then just tidy up the kitchen and sweep up the floors.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I used to have a huge white farm sink at my last home, so I'm adjusting to having the two separate little sinks. We actually have a garbage disposal, which I am not a fan of at all. I do not like it. I do not like using it, so I'm definitely missing my farm sink. In my next home that we plan on building, I'm definitely doing another farm sink because they are super convenient. I do not really like the split at all. I don't really see the point of it, so definitely I'm a huge fan of the farm sinks. I'm not a fan of these sinks at all.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home mom of two little ones. I have an almost 3-year-old and then I have a 5-month-old the day that you're watching this, so you will see my kids throughout this video. That is just mom life. I don't have anybody else to help me watch them during the day when my husband is gone, so normally when I film they are in the background or I'm holding them or they're sleeping, something, trying to film around them. Usually it does not happen, especially having a toddler. She doesn't nap anymore, so she is constantly right by my side all day long. So yeah, you will see them throughout the video, but I know you guys will not mind because most of you are mamas who are watching this, and you guys, I know you can totally relate.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama.
My mom bought me this mop. It kind of reminds me of a Swiffer, but I think it's called a Bosu. I'm not sure, but I really like it. It works really well on these floors. I believe she got it from Walmart. It just has like the cleaner spray that you spray and then just wipe up. But so far, I'm really liking it. The cleaner smells good and it doesn't streak or anything like that, and definitely cleans up my floors. I will definitely keep you posted if I like it. This is only like my probably third or fourth time using it in the home, but so far I really do enjoy it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and show you our fridge. Is it a complete mess? I am not used to having this small of a fridge. In our last home, we had the double doors up top and then the freezer on the bottom. So we had a lot more room. It is definitely an adjustment trying to fit everything into this one side of the refrigerator. So I went ahead and ordered some organization bins for the refrigerator off of Amazon. I will have them linked down below. Very inexpensive. It comes with 6 of them and I think they were like $16. So really good price, and they worked really well for me. You will see after I'm done organizing everything. But yes, this is an adjustment. I'm still trying to figure out where to put things in the refrigerator and like where to keep things. You'll see here in a second, I did have a case of White Claws. That was from my mom and my mother-in-law, so I didn't have anywhere else to put them, so I put them in the bottom drawer of the refrigerator. But we do have a mini fridge that we are going to put out in the garage, so I plan on transferring those into the mini fridge and then taking all of our like Powerades and Gatorades and body armors and waters and putting them down in that bottom drawer. You'll see in a second what I'm talking about, but I just wanted to mention that before I forgot.
Another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned?
And if you're a mom, you know that you cannot open up the refrigerator without your little one running up to you, asking you for a million snacks out of it. I was excited to go ahead and organize her little, I put like 3 bins together of all of her snacks and things like that, because before she was trying to like look through the fridge trying to find something to eat, but now I can just pull out the bin, she can grab it. It makes it super easy. I love being organized. I cannot wait to go through the rest of this house and just organize and things like that. Let me know if you guys want to see content like that, if you want to see organizing, or if you just want me to stick to cleaning. Just let me know down below, but I very much enjoy organizing.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it.
Okay, so while I'm organizing the fridge, let me know down below if you guys have ever watched Outer Banks. I just finished the 2nd season. I will not give any spoilers, try not to spoil anything in the comments, but let me know down below if you have watched it, what you thought about it. I thought the 2nd season was so much better than the 1st one. I literally cannot wait until the 3rd one comes out. I feel like it's just going to get even better, but let me know down below if you have watched it. If you haven't and you need a show to watch on Netflix, definitely check out Outer Banks. I'm currently obsessed. I watched it within, I think it took me 3 days. If I didn't have kids, I definitely would have been binged watched it within like the first night of starting it, but having kids, I definitely lost like 6 hours of sleep total just from staying up late and waking up early to watch it, because I had to keep knowing what was happening. But yeah, let me know down below if you have watched it.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another cause that we can fly with the baseline.
I also have never had a refrigerator that beeps at me when the door is open too long. That kept happening while I was organizing in it, and I kept having to shut it and open it back up. My last fridge did not do that. My fridge at my parents' house doesn't do that, so I thought it was funny while I was trying to clean it. It was like yelling at me that I was taking too long. Let me know if your fridge does that too, but this is the end product of me organizing it. You can see I put like all of our fruits and stuff on the shelf, and then all of Evelyn's snacks. all of our meats and milks and creamers and things like that, all of our jars up top. Love how it turned out. Super easy, super inexpensive. I will have the bins linked down below for you guys, but now I'm gonna go ahead, move on to our kitchen table, and then clean up the living room.
Sound on you, it all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do, under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do.
I want to go ahead and start looking at rugs to put underneath this couch. Let me know what color you think I should do, what size you think I should do. I've never had to buy like a huge area rug before because our old house was carpeted. So let me know down below what color, if you guys have any recommendations of sites or stores or anything like that for area rugs for your couches. If you think I should put one down, just let me know down below. Under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I have been to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and even Target. My Target was starting to bring some stuff out, but a lot of the stores are now carrying or like putting out all of their fall and Halloween decor. Let me know if you decorated for fall yet or when you plan on decorating. I feel like back in Pennsylvania, I probably would have decorated like this week or next week, but living down here in North Carolina, it's still like 100 degrees outside and I just cannot get into the mood to decorate for fall. I'm gonna have to figure it out because I'm sure it stays hot down here for a while, but let me know if you guys have decorated yet or when you are going to. I'm planning on probably decorating maybe like September 1st or something like that and putting a video out the first week of September. Not 100% sure. I'm really excited to decorate in this home, but I feel like it doesn't feel like fall yet.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe?
The last thing I'm going to tackle today is just cleaning up this entryway. I'm just going to go ahead and take all of the toys. That is Evelyn's playroom right in that room. I had to put some of her toys back. I'm going to go ahead and then wipe off the table and mop the floor. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. My next one, I plan on doing maybe the entire house and making one huge video. I can't wait to do more content in this home and put it out for you guys. I'm really excited. But thank you so much for watching and being here. And if you comment down below, thank you for answering my questions. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Surrounding me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time.